Alright, got this steamroller here in the mail, and the wheels were all wobbly and everything. They're all loose and wobbly, so I put a different set of wheels on it, and it's really fast. So let's go run it down the track and see what happens. Now I'll run it against this this truck right here.
Do you remember her? Maud Peterson?
Who?
Maud Peterson.
Was she an actress? I auditioned hundreds of actresses.
Yeah, but only one in Canada. From Winnipeg Nights, and you had sex with her?
Look, are you asking if did I sleep with young wannabe actresses? Yes, but I kept it legal. You may have thought you did. No, I did. You know, I do remember her now. She's 16. The age of consent in Canada, not illegal. Hold on, where?
Winnipeg Nights was never made.
If you people understood anything about the industry, you would know that most projects never get off the ground.
Right. But there's usually a script, no?
There was. I registered one.
Had to turn the sound down on the TV. Man, that was close. All right, y'all have a good day.